Hello everyone, welcome back to this amazing channel. So what we gonna do today? So kids, अभी तक हम लोग बहुत सारे chapters cover कर रखे हैं, right? And today we have a very interesting chapter, very interesting, right? As you can see, GST, right? Goods and Services Tax, right? So first of all, बहुत ज़्यादा practical है, right? It's very much practical, right? And it's very much required, correct? So first we'll understand यार why to study this chapter. Then what are the questions that we gonna do? ठीक है? So let's quickly start, right? So what are we going to learn today? So kids, watch this entire session, right? Don't leave in between. ठीक है? Starting से लेकर towards the end तक देखना because you'll get all the details about why GST, right? There are so many questions that also we'll do together, correct? Cool, important. So first, what is the meaning of GST, right? इसका meaning क्या है? What does it mean, right? What does it mean? We don't know what does it mean, but don't worry, पता चल जाएगा. Then computation of tax, right? How we compute, like for example, there is certain amount X, right? How much taxation will be there in that amount? That also we'll figure out, correct? Then question to top exams. I mean, बहुत सारे questions on this particular topic, correct? We'll do a lot of amazing questions. ठीक है? चलो. So GST and tax, right? Goods and services, right? Correct? चलो. What do we mean by this? इसका meaning क्या है? And why was it implemented? Right? I mean, इसके पहले तो कुछ था ही, right? इसके पहले we were having sales tax, we were having VAT, value additional tax, value added tax, right? तो ये सब था. Why then we are having this? मतलब इसका reason है why we are having it? क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं? Cool. देखो, first of all, it is an indirect tax or consumption tax, correct? Hmm. Used in India on supply of goods and services. So it's an indirect tax, not a direct one. Indirect tax, correct? Right. What I'll do is I'll tell you one example also. है ना? एक example के तरह, I'll explain you what is the like why we are using it, right? चलो. So I'll be telling you with one example. One second, before. चलो. Right. Let's first move ahead. तो ऑल अबाउट जीएसटी. अब देखो इसमें क्या क्या पैरामीटर्स आते हैं, राइट? तो इसमें अब इफ यू सी क्या क्या पैरामीटर्स है. लग्जरी, राइट? एंटरटेनमेंट, एक्साइज आ गया, सीएसटी आ गया, वैट आ गया, राइट? ऑक्ट्रॉय, लोकल एंट्री. सो ऑल दिस वाज अ डिफरेंट आइडेंटिटी. सब ये ना एक यूनिक आइडेंटिटी थे एवरीवन, बट नाउ दे आर पार्ट ऑफ व्हाट? They are part of one, just one tax, nothing more than that, right? So one nation, one tax, right? This was the main reason for bringing in this one, correct? So one nation and one tax, correct? Cool. चलो. So let's understand more about it. अब देखो, इसका वन ऑफ द रीजन क्या है? अच्छा, पहले टाइप्स देख लेते हैं. व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स? सबसे पहले एसजीएसटी, राइट? which is state GST, right? Collected by the state government, right? Collected by the state government. Then we have CGST, right? Which is collected by the central, obviously, मतलब easy to figure out. C मतलब central. फिर रहता है IGST. IGST is very amazing और बहुत interesting वाला है because it is integrated, right? But still collected by what? So two out of three is collected by central and one is collected by the state. ठीक है? अब देखो रीजन, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है यार. व्हाट आर द रीजंस, राइट? व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग इट? मतलब कुछ तो एक रीजन होगा, राइट? तो सबसे पहले डिक्रीज्ड कंप्लायंस बर्डन, है ना? फिर रिमूवल ऑफ कास्केडिंग इफेक्ट. कास्केडिंग इफेक्ट मतलब सपोज 100 रुपीज इज देयर, राइट? Okay, what I'll do is I'll explain this with VAT, then it will be more easier for you. फिर इंक्रीज इन डिमांड फॉर गुड्स एंड सप्लाई ऑफ गुड्स, बिकॉज मूवमेंट वगैरह थोड़ा फास्ट हो गया, राइट? एंड फास्ट हो गया तो डिलीवरी बिकेम फास्ट. इफ डिलीवरी इज फास्ट, then demand will also increase, right? Already demand was there, but because of supply, less supply, demand was decreasing, right? then we will be, because of the simplification of taxes, अब इतने सारे थे, right, and now you have just one, so it is much simplifying the tax, right. Then decreased manufacturing cost. Manufacturing cost also, we found out that it is decreasing, right, because of GST, the entire cost is decreasing, and obviously increase in the government revenue, right. अब ये cascading का मतलब क्या है, इसको ध्यान से समझते हैं, राइट। देखो, कास्केडिंग इफेक्ट इज व्हेन अ टैक्स, है ना, एक जो टैक्स है ऑन टैक्स लिवाइड ऑफ अ प्रोडक्ट एट एवरी स्टेप ऑफ द सेल। मतलब क्या है, जैसे मान लो ये 100 रुपीज है, राइट। अब दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट, है ना, करेक्ट। अब इसको ध्यान से देखना, सपोज इफ ए बॉट इट एज अ कंज्यूमर, राइट, नॉट कंज्यूमर एज अ रॉ मटेरियल, उसमें सपोज 10% टैक्स है, तो 110 हुआ, राइट। अब क्या है कि इसमें इफ ही एड्स समथिंग एंड ही सेक्स टू मैन्युफैक्चर, राइट, मैन्युफैक्चर है, तब इस पे 10% और टैक्स होगा। तो इट वाज फाउंड टिल द लास्ट प्रोडक्ट देयर वर टू मेनी टैक्सेस एट डिफरेंट लेवल, लेवल 1, लेवल 2, लेवल 3, और ये टोटल जो है ना, वो काफी प्रोडक्ट का वैल्यू, आई मीन इन शॉर्ट द एंटायर वैल्यू गॉट इंक्रीज्ड, राइट। सो डिक्रीज इट, राइट, बिकॉज ऑफ वी वैट के कारण ये बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम we got it, right. So this is called cascading effect when taxes are on, like once you applied taxes, right, again there are further taxes on the product. So this is something, मतलब इसको avoid करने के लिए we started GST, correct. So this I mean, पहले तो VAT था, right, I mean there were a lot of disadvantages, पहले बताया cascading है, right, cool. तो जीएसटी का क्या एक और अच्छा बेनिफिट क्या हो सकता है कि यार इट बिकेम वेरी सिंपल, आई मीन बिकॉज ऑफ ऑनलाइन स्टफ, करेक्ट। फिर लेसर कंप्लायंसेस बहुत कम करने पड़ते हैं, राइट। कैस्केडिंग इफेक्ट तो हट ही चुका है, एंड ई कॉमर्स में इट हेल्प्स अ लॉट। तो कंप्यूटिंग टैक्सेस वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड फ्यू टर्म्स, कैसे ये हेल्प करेगा, राइट। फर्स्ट, let's understand it. Dealer. What is a dealer? A dealer is a person who buys goods and services for resale. Exact opposite of consumer. So who buys goods and services for resale? Resale करता है, right? Then CP. Cost price is what? At the price which dealer buys the good. Dealer जिस पे खरीदता है, that is your CP. Cost price. List price. It is the marked price or quoted price. Marked price होता है या फिर वो quoted होता है. Now how to compute it? इसे क्या होगा? अच्छा, फिर डिस्काउंट आता है, राइट। अमाउंट सेलर वांट्स टू वेव ऑफ गिवन इन परसेंट डिस्काउंट, राइट। तो परसेंट डिस्काउंट में आई मीन जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल 120 रुपीज का प्रोडक्ट है, राइट, एंड सेलर सेज यार इस पे 10% ऑफ है, राइट। दैट इज द डिस्काउंट, राइट। एंड व्हाट विल बी द सेलिंग प्राइस? लिस्ट प्राइस था, लिस्ट प्राइस, that you are subtracting with discount. So 120 suppose was the list price, 10% off will be 108, right? Sorry, discount price is 12 rupees. So the selling price will become 108. Cool है? हाँ, चलो, right. Important है यार. Now calculation of GST. I'll see if I can do a lot of questions today, right? I will definitely will do. अब कैलकुलेशन, सेल्स ऑफ गुड फॉर एग्जांपल रुपीज कितना है यार, 1 2 3 4 5 1 लाख, राइट। सपोज जीएसटी रेट इज 12%, तो लोकल सेल्स विद इन स्टेट, तो दोनों में इक्वली बटा, देखो 6%, 6%, तो 6000 गोज टू स्टेट एंड 6000 गोज टू सेंटर एट इक्वल रेट्स, करेक्ट। तो 1 लाख का सेल है, तो व्हाट इज द प्राइस दे हैव टू पे? 12 लाख, 1 लाख 12,000। अब मान लो सेंट्रल सेल्स आउटसाइड द स्टेट, अब वो आउटसाइड द स्टेट इंटर स्टेट हो रहा है, तो व्हाट विल हैपन? देन आईजीएसटी इज वर्किंग, देन सीजीएसटी और एसजीएसटी नहीं वर्क कर रहा है, देन व्हाट इज वर्किंग? आईजीएसटी, और आईजीएसटी एट 12% विल बी हाउ मच? 12,000। देखो, तो ये पूरा का पूरा किसको जा रहा है? स्टेट नहीं, सेंटर। कूल, important यार, I mean this topic is very important. So let us solve few problems, right? For the following transaction within Delhi, fill in the blanks to find the amount of bill. अब देखो MRP इतना है, discount percent is this, GST is this, find discount selling, फलाना 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 बहुत सारी चीजें, right? So let's quickly solve this. One second. बच्चों, the first is MRP. What is MRP? MRP is 12,000, right? MRP क्या है? 12,000. Now discount percent is 30, correct? So 30% of 12,000 will be how much? 30 upon 100 into 12,000, which is 3600. Right? So selling price will become what? The cost price, the listed price minus the discount. So this will become your selling price, right? Up the GST is 18%, right? We know that it will be equally distributed among state and central. तो टोटल कितना है यार? 18. तो 9 for state, 9 for central. So 9% of 8400 is 756. How to calculate? Yeah, simple. 9 by 100 into 8400. So 984s are 89 is 720, 4 9 is 36. So this is the tax that is collected by the central, right, and state also 9%, right? The amount of bill will be what? Amount of bill कितना हो जाएगा? Selling price. So देखो, this is very important. Tax is a tax on MRP. The tax is levied on the selling price. So selling price plus CGST plus HGST. So 756 plus 756. This is that. So this is collected by the central and this is collected by the state. Simple. For the following transaction from Delhi to Jaipur, fill in the blanks. अच्छा, Delhi to Jaipur. So state change हो रहा है क्या? Discount percent, right? CGST, SGST, IGST. चलो. So let's quickly see this. Notice the state is different, right? MRP. Discount percent is 20. So 20 by 100 into 50,000. So total discount is 10,000. So what is the selling price? Selling price will become amount minus discount. 50,000 minus 10,000, which is 40,000. Now since it is not in the same state, local state nahi hai, it is a different one. So CGST 0, SGST 0, no tax. Yes, but now it will be IGST collected by 28% of 40,000. So 28 by 100 into 40,000, which is 11,200. So the amount of bill should be what? The price, selling price at the price which you are selling plus IGST. So it's very simple. Amount of the bill is always including the tax plus the total selling price. Cool, right? Next, the tax invoice of telecom service in Meerut shows cost of service provided by it as rupees 750. If GST is 8%, 18%, find the amount of the bill. ये तो सिंपल है, इसमें कोई डिस्काउंट नहीं है. तो the 18% of 750 will be this amount, the amount of bill. So now you see any bill, if you see, you'll find GST, right? Then you'll understand. अच्छा हाँ, ये तो sir has told, right? Awesome. Mr. Malik went on a tour to Goa. He took a room in a hotel for 2 days. 2 दिन के लिए लिया है at the rate of 5,000 per day. Okay, awesome. On the same day, his friend John also joined him. Hotel provided an extra bed, charging rupees 1,000 per day for the bed. How much GST at the rate of 28% is charged by the hotel and the bill to Mr. Malik for both the days? देखो, तो यार ये he took the room for 2 days at the rate of rupees 5,000 per day. हाँ, and his friend also joined, right? Now the price has become 6,000. 2 days के लिए. Now just think about it. So this is 6,000 for how many days? For 2 days. 6,000 for 2 days. The total amount on the amount of the bill will be this plus GST. So 28% GST is very high here. 28 upon 100 into 12,000, which is 3360. So GST charged will be this much. So that means he is paying 12,000 plus 3360. This is very good. So GST charged will be 3360. Awesome. Next. So this is very important. From today onwards, if you go somewhere, you will always check what is the GST. I mean, how much tax you are paying for that. Ashraf went to see a movie. He wanted to purchase a movie ticket. Awesome. For rupees 80. Acha. As the ticket of the 80 was not available, he purchased a ticket of 120. Very good. How much extra GST did he pay? Right. Below 100 is 18% and above 100 is 28%. So 80 का we'll do in the next slide. Yeah. 80 GST कितना होता है 80 rupees में 18% of that. So 18 upon 100 into 18, which is 14.40. So on 80 rupees, he was paying this much amount, right? GST percent by 100 into the amount, right? But now see, he's buying 120. So that will be 28% he said. 100 से ज़्यादा है. 28 by 100 into 120. So you got 33. So now he's paying 33. Earlier he could have paid 40. So 33.60 minus 14.40. So this is the extra amount he's paying. That's why he was going for the lower one, but yeah, मिला ही नहीं, so he went for the upper ticket. Cool. Right? So, Bachu, you have seen so many amazing questions, right, of GST, and this has given you a very great preparation on GST, right? I mean, awesome. So, यार, do you want to learn more या फिर और कुछ सीखना चाहते हो and you want to improve the concepts, right? Even better, मतलब यहाँ पे तो कर ही रहे हैं, right? But there are certain challenges in YouTube, right? Because we are not able to do quizzes, right? If you want to be the part of unlimited live quizzes with जहाँ पे यार your name is also coming on the fastest finger list, फिर अपना rank देख सकते हो, right? I mean, that is so amazing, right? And the best part is you can compete with the students throughout the world, so you can check how others are performing, how you're performing in comparison with them. बहुत amazing होता है यार. And interactive replays, मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि session miss हो गया तो you cannot watch the replay. Replays are still on the quick of, I mean, बस एक बटन दो, राइट? और उसमें भी ना you can take a part of quizzes में part ले सकते हो. You can see how you're performing. These are the something amazing features, right? And the best part is you can download the notes and I mean, no need to hurry up and write. You can download the notes of amazing master teachers. और बच्चों सबसे अमेजिंग तो यार इन क्लास डाउट सॉल्विंग. सो देयर आर फ्यू मतलब दो टीचर होते हैं, मास्टर टीचर एंड क्लास टीचर्स. द क्लास टीचर्स आर देयर टू मेक श्योर दैट योर डाउट्स आर सॉल्व्ड इन द क्लास, लाइव क्लास. And obviously quality test and assignment. But so there are certain aspects which are obviously taken care when you are part of Vedanti platform. And so many amazing micro courses which you can always take, right? But so if you use this coupon code and pro, क्या होता है पता है? Magic हो जाता है. See for example, light plan you want to buy, right? Live interactive classes आते हैं, test series है, notes है, doubt solving during the class है. The price is 334.99 पूरे साल का. So 10% off will give you how much? The moment you apply coupon, see क्या होता है. NA Pro apply किया तो you can get it at discounted price. देखो कम हो गया. And you can also try for 1 month. जैसे तुम्हें लग रहा है कि नहीं, let me try for a month, तो you can try for a month in just 2340. फिर आते हैं यार क्लासिक में. तो क्लासिक में एक फैसिलिटी ज्यादा मिल जाती है. यू कैन सॉल्व डाउट इन मोबाइल ऐप ऑल्सो. तो मतलब पोस्ट क्लास यू हैव अ डाउट फैसिलिटी. अब देखो इसमें भी जैसे कूपन अप्लाई कर रहे हो तो यू आर गेटिंग इन अ प्राइस ऑफ 35,000. देखो यू आर गिविंग लिटिल एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट, बट यहाँ पे बहुत अमेजिंग, मतलब कोई भी ऐसा डाउट नहीं होगा जो विल बी लेफ्ट आउट. The next is the even better plan, यार, personal mentor, where you get your personal teacher who can help you in improving your performance like anything. अब उसमें भी देखो सेम एनए प्रो यू कैन ट्राई, मतलब ऐसा हो सकता है एक महीना ट्राई कर लेंगे, राइट? नाउ यू सी यू आर गेटिंग इट एट जस्ट 15,000. ऑसम नहीं? तो यू कैन गो फॉर एनी प्लान यार, आई मीन एनी प्लान. अनलिमिटेड माइक्रो कोर्सेज भी मिल रहे हैं, राइट? सो दिस इज नॉट जस्ट लाइट, आई मीन यू आर जस्ट टेकिंग लाइट, you need to you are paying this much amount, but तुम्हें unlimited micro course भी मिल रहे हैं which you can access, right? And when the batches are starting here, ICC batch, हाँ मेरे में एक कैलेंडर में दिखाया, so it's starting from 24th May, right? 10th के लिए 17 में, 17 मतलब आज ही है, correct? And CBSE के लिए 24th में and 24th में, महाराष्ट्र के लिए भी 24th में, JEE and NEET के लिए भी we have 24th में. So use the code and start. Start enjoying the classes. So thank you so much, kids. All the best. Do well. We'll meet again in the next class. Till then, थोड़ा जीएसटी पे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन थे। ऑल द बेस्ट, बाय बाय।